Today's class is about male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of the external as well as the internal genitalia or organs. The main external genitalia in a male are the penis and the scrotum. Yeah, between the two legs, the pouch scrotum and the erectile organ, the main copulatory organ of the male, which is the penis. So we will understand the significance of these two first. We will start in a very simple manner. When we talk about external genitalia, this scrotum or the sac or the pouch between the two legs is very important, as it is the sac, it is the pouch specially for containing or carrying the testes. Two testes, singular being testis. Yes, so testis has to be located outside the abdominal cavity, because sperms, the gametes, the sperms cannot be produced or mature or retain their viability, retain their capacity, the fertility at the body temperature. So they have to be kept at 2 to 2.5 degrees lower than the body temperature. And that is the major function of the scrotum or the sac. Remember, it is not only for the sperm production, but also for the maturation. And also for the viability. How viable or useful they remain to fertilize the egg in the female reproductive system. Is that clear? Testis descends into the scrotum around 7th to 8th week of pregnancy. That is during the fetal life itself. 7th or 8th month. We have the 9 months of pregnancy, right? The testis descends into the scrotum. It should descend into the scrotum for sperm production during the life of the male. Otherwise, the male which will be born will be infertile. So this descending or the presence of testis in the scrotum is important for fertility of a male. Is that clear? Remember this, note it down. Talking about the copulatory organ, or in fact the pleasure organ for a male, it is the penis. This penis this penis runs through the urethra. In males, the urine and the seminal fluid, the ejaculatory fluid, have the common passage of urethra. You studied that in excretory system also. Yes, so it is through the penis that urine and sperm both will come out. But they don't come out together. Urine and sperm or let's call it semen. Semen carries the sperm. We will understand what is semen, what is sperm. Is that clear? So semen will come out only at the end of, due to sexual pleasure, during copulation, during sexual intercourse. And otherwise urine also comes. Now, this penis, do you see the copulatory organ? It has this is the enlarged portion of the penis. But penis consists of the erectile tissue. It has 2 to 3 columns of the erectile tissue. Cavernosa, spongiosum, you don't need to learn the names. Please don't go into such far-fetched details. You just have to know that this copulatory organs, you see the columns of tissue, this is an erectile tissue. On sexual stimulation, when the sexual act happens, this is called as the erectile tissue. This tissue it contains the blood vessels. It will be filled with blood. The blood vessels get engorged with blood. Okay? And that is how the penis becomes erect. during sexual stimulation, because the blood vessels in these three columns of erectile tissue get filled with blood. Is that clear? Now, this slit-like opening of the penis, very important question, pens up everybody, previous year question. The slit-like opening, I'm slowing down now as I speak so that you can write. Yes, we have this promise. It's called urethral meatus. Urethral meatus. And the enlarged portion of the penis, or the pleasurable portion of the penis, which is filled with nerve endings, because nerve endings will feel that sensation as the penis enters the female vagina. So that is called as glans penis. The enlarged portion, write it down, which is richly supplied, which has the nerve endings, and thus leading to the pleasurable sensation during sexual intercourse or contact stimulation. Yeah? Enlarged end is called glans penis, and it is covered by a foreskin. It is covered by a foreskin. Now, when we talk about foreskin on the glans penis, I want to tell you something, a fact. Some of you must be aware of this because it's also a religious and a cultural thing. Yeah? The circumcised penis and the uncircumcised penis. In certain cultures and religion, they get the circumcision done. So, uncircumcised penis is with a foreskin. Okay? And when we remove the foreskin through a surgical method, there is a circumcised penis. Now, WHO recommends that a circumcised penis has the same sensational and the biological function. It will still feel the same pleasurable sensation, but otherwise it is better to have circumcised penis because they have recorded reduced HIV infections being transmitted by unprotected intercourse in case of circumcised penis. All right.